Hello again, Happy New Year. It's me, I'm back. It's been a while. The frequency of these is going to slow down. I'm spending all of my time on PowerPoint nowadays. But I was asked this question by Ryan at Cahill's, hello Ryan, to have a look at. Now, Ryan complained that he was not able to create a bolt list by assembly selection in the model. So when he was picking a beam, he wasn't getting the end connection bolts. Now I think I may have solved it, so bear with me. So let me put a couple of end plates on these beams here, just differentiate the two of them, right? So when I do a numbering here, okay, and I run a bolt report for this beam here, so I'm using Control Alt here to pick that beam, which is picking the whole assembly. And when I run a report, let's do bolt site summary 2, why not? We are getting the bolts, right? Now, the reason for that is if I inquire the bolted parts on those bolts there, you can see we've got the column is the primary part and the end plate is the secondary part, okay? With the one above it, that'll obviously be exactly the same because we've applied the same connection. But if I reverse the order, like so, so now the primary part is the end plate. When we run the numbering, I can't remember if I did that already, but when we run the numbering and run the report for this beam, we get no bolts. But if we run it on the column, we get the bolts for that. Okay, so it's to do with which part is the primary part, or rather, the secondary part. Okay, so the bolt quantity is attributed to the secondary part and it's not applied to the primary part. All right, so hopefully that gives you a tip for when you're doing connections manually. Pay attention to the selection order when you're applying those bolt arrays. Okay, make sure that whichever piece you want to order the bolts against is the secondary piece. All right. If you've got any questions, suggestions, anything you want to see, always get in touch with me. Put a comment in the comment section below, and I'll do my best to address them. Thanks very much. Until next time.